To install Python on your Windows machine, you need to go to python.org. Let's do that now. From here, go to the Downloads tab, and then we're going to choose Download Python 3.7.3. Programming languages have version numbers associated with them because over time new features are added. By increasing the version number, the developers of the language are communicating that they've changed something, and it could impact how you use the language. Now that that's downloaded, we can click on the executable in order to launch the installation process. Make sure you choose the Add Python 3.7 to Path checkbox option. Then you want to click on Install Now. Okay, now that the setup was successful, let's close this as well as the browser window. To open our newly installed Python installation, we're going to come to the Start menu, and then we're going to navigate down to where you see Python. If we expand this folder, there's multiple executables present, but we're going to use the one that's Python 3.7. When we click this, this will open up the Python prompt. It's at this point that we can start sending some instructions to the computer. For now, we're just going to exit. And we'll do that by typing exit with an opening and closing parentheses.